Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve 15 power 50 by 3 power 25 is equals to what? So let's start with the today's video solution. So 15 power 50, 15 we can write it as 3 times 5 whole power 50 by 3 power 25. Now according to exponent rule, a times b whole power m, we can write it as a power m times b power m. So here we can write this as 3 power 50 times 5 power 50 by 3 power 25. Now 3 power 50 as 3 power 25 plus 25 times 5 power 50 by 3 power 25. Now another exponent rule, x power m plus n, we can write it as x power m times x power n. So it becomes 3 power 25 times 3 power 25 times 5 power 50 by 3 power 25. So we can cancel out this. So what is left? 3 power 25 times 5 power 50. 5 power 50 we can write it as 5 power 25 plus 25. Again, I'm going to use the same identity. So 3 power 25 times 5 power 25 times 5 power 25. Another exponent rule, a power m times b power m. We can write it as a times b whole power m. This is the same exponent rule, but we reverse the sides only. So we can write 3 times 5 whole power 25. 3 times 5 is 15 and 15 times 5 is 75. So 75 whole power 25. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.